Okay, page 13, question 14. This polynomial is divided by x plus 2, and then it told us the remainder was -8. Determine the value of k. Okay, I'm going to show you this in two different methods. So the first method is to use the remainder theorem. So the remainder theorem would be, if I was to plug in the root number, I will get out a -8. That's the remainder theorem. So if I plug in a -2, my result should be -8. That's all that would be. So every time you see an x, replace it with -2. Okay, so let's do some math on this. That's a 48. This would be a -10 and a -14. What do you want to write there? What is that all going to make right in the middle there? What does it come out to be? Negative or positive, first of all? Positive. Positive 8k. So 8k, put all those numbers together. So I got a plus 24. Move the 24. Okay, now I'm going to show you the synthetic division method. Okay, but we're going to have to go backwards with our synthetic division here. Okay, so I need a what number, root number on the outside? -2. I'm going to use my coefficients. Do I have any gaps? Yes, the x squared has a gap. So 3, -k, 0, 5, -14. Okay, this time I actually know the remainder was -8. Okay, we're going to work backwards. Okay, what will I need in this position? -14 plus what do I need there? 6. Okay, to add, that would have been a 6. What will I need down here to multiply to get that 6? What would have been down here? This times this would have to be 6. -3. What would I need to add? 5 plus what? -8 makes -3. -2 times what down there would have made the -8? 4. 0 plus blank makes a 4. 4. -2 times blank down here made the 4. negative 2. Okay, I can't finish that. So I'm going to work a little bit from the front because I know this would have been pulled down. So if that's pulled down, this would times 2, negative 6. This is super awkward. This is how they want to trick you on a provincial exam, but you need to go negative k would equal what? What do I need in that position? What plus a negative 6 made the negative 2? I would need to have 4 plus negative 6. So now k equals negative 4. Okay, flip to page 15. I'm going to do that one with you too. I should have put one of these in my notes, I guess. Page 15, number 25. This is a working backwards question too. Okay, we were told a factor. So what is the root number that I want in the front? Negative 1. When you go through your polynomial, do you have any missing gaps in order? 3, 2, 1, 0. So no. 1, negative 1, k, and negative 8. Okay, it told me that this is a factor. So what do I already know about the remainder number? 0. Okay, you're going to work a little bit forward and a little bit backward till you meet there to the k spot. So let's start going forwards as much as we can. So bring the 1 down. Times, add. So times to negative 1, add to negative 2. You can times, which makes a 2. And now you can't add. 2 plus k, you can't add that. So let's work backwards. What do I need to add here to make a 0? I'll need a 8. What would I need to multiply? Those two numbers need to make 8. So I need a negative 8 there. So what's your conclusion about k? It should be negative 10. Okay? I did that the synthetic division way, but you could have also done it the remainder way. You could have just plugged in a negative 1 and made it equal to 0 as well. You could have solved that equation. Okay? I don't know why, but almost everybody last year just picked synthetic division every time. So, I mean, you can pick either one, but that works too.